Hi, my name's James Lockerbie. I'm here at the Snow Centre in Hemel Hempstead, and today we're going to be talking through plough parallel turns. Now we're still using the plough at the top of the turn for that balance and the support like we have been before, but now we're starting to remove the snow plough, just like when you were learning to ride your bike and you start to remove off the stabilisers for your balance. Through the middle and the end of the turn, we're going to start to match the skis and become parallel. Now we're going to run through some plough parallel turns. So just like we were doing before, we've got the snow plough at the top of the turn. So as we're using it for support and balance, stretching, turning our feet first. But when we're softening our legs through the middle and the end of the turn, we're allowing the inside ski to match it parallel as we're going through. So stretching, now we're relaxing, softening the ski. Stretching, relaxing, softening the ski. Stretching, and we're relaxing, softening the skis. Stretching and match. Now we're going to try some traversing, which is a great mountain skill if we need to get across the slope or go from one slope to the other. Now remember, it's a great time as well when our skis are pointing across the slope to get used to those skis being parallel. We're still balancing on the outside ski, which is now the downhill ski facing down the slope. Always checking above you before you set off so it's nice and clear, and we're only using this if we're traversing. When we're skiing and we're doing the plough parallel turns, I want to make sure they're nice and linked and we're getting on that outside ski there as well. All right, let's give it a go. Skis run parallel, keeping the majority of the weight on the outside ski, which is the downhill facing one at the moment. Turning round again. And again, having a quick check, keeping the weight on the outside ski, the downhill one facing at the moment. Now we're going to have a go at the plough parallel turns again after we've been using the mountain skills traversing to get used to balancing with our skis parallel going across the hill. We don't want to get lazy with that and doing it all the time, so I want to put it back into the turns that we're making them nice and linked. Same thing as we were doing before, using the snow plough at the top of the turn, stretching, turning our feet first, but as we're softening our legs through the middle and the end of the turn, we're allowing that inside ski to come parallel to match. Now this is all tricky movements and stuff that we're doing, so remember, if you need any help, ask your instructor. That's what they're there for. They'll give you all the advice and help that you need in your personal development. So I'm going to show you some turns as we set off now. So back in again, same thing we were doing before, stretch, turning the feet, balancing on the outside ski, softening the legs, stretch, turning the feet, balance the outside, soften the legs, stretch, turn the feet, balance and soften. Just going to run through a quick recap on what we've covered on the plough parallel session. So we're looking at the plough parallel turns, which is through the middle and the end of the turn. We're matching the inside ski as we're softening the legs. We're still keeping majority of the weight on the outside ski, and we had to go traversing in there as well, which is a great mountain skill if we need to go across from one slope to the other. But remember, when we're doing our plough parallel turns, we're keeping them nice and linked, and we're only using them for traversing if we're going across and from the slope. If you've got any tips or anything you need to get from your instructor, he's there for help and advice as you go along the way.